This is a lot to take in. Yeah, I really don't know what to say other than I look over here and I see a lot of people I think are more, better recipients of this award than myself, for sure. A lot of veteran teachers that, I've learned a ton from, and Highland's been an amazing place to start my career as a teacher and as a coach, and so many good kids, and, just nothing but love for this place. I wouldn't be a teacher if it wasn't for the great teachers that I had. I'm getting emotional. I don't normally do this. But I had great teachers. I had a fourth grade teacher, Mrs. Depew, that, she changed my life. My JV football coach, Jack Lancaster, maybe one of the most important people in my entire life. My high school guidance counselor, Mrs. Goodbody. I wouldn't have gone to college if it wasn't for her. So you guys, you students have a lot of people in this building that are rooting for you. They've got your back. They want you to do well. It means so much to us when you succeed, and we're your biggest cheerleaders, okay? Thank you guys for this award. This is unbelievable. I'm sure we'll get that money spent real quick, but anyway. Anyways, that's it. Thank you. Appreciate it.